翻子拳 tutorial step by step. Both hands on your waist. And both hands from left go up and all the way to right. And both hands become palm and knee lift with your left leg. And both hands become fist. Make a big circle to the right. Both fist and become semi-horse stance. Cross your hand, left and right, left under the right, and open it. So your left arm wide open, 45 up, and your right hand flat open, 骑龙步, riding dragon stances. Right hand come back with the fist, become arable. Left hand just attack you and become punch 45 up your right hand and quick attack down with your right 45-degree down and punch the same direction with a quicker rhythm. Now fast punch right left with full speed. And right arm go back and come back with your right arable to attack straight forward. Punch your right, step your right, both hands cross on top your head, and both hands open and go down at the same time. Right hand 45 up and left hand 45 down. And punch your right, step left. Punch your left and punch right again, 3 punches. A quick slap kick, your right leg, and you turn, punch your right knee lift, and you punch front row, both feet in same line, and jumping kick your right, and you go down your right hand with hook hand